The 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, compass, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, trip computer, heated front seats, tachometer, Sirius satellite radio, panic alarm, remote keyless entry. Your new ride is just a phone call away.